Hello, welcome to HSK Chinese. 你好，欢迎来到 HSK 汉语课堂。我叫于斌，很高兴认识你。你叫什么名字？你是哪国人？ Today we are going to learn how to ask about nationality in Chinese. Where are you from? Or what's your nationality? Is 你是哪国人? In Chinese, 是 is to be, 哪 is which. 国 means country or nation. 人 is person or people. Word by word is you are which country person. Read after me, please. 你是哪国人？你是哪国人？ That's the word order in the sentence word. Not really. It's the same as 你叫什么名字？ A subject, a verb, question word, and a noun. If you ask me, 你是哪国人? I will tell you, 我是中国人. I'm Chinese. 中国 is China. So to talk about nationality in Chinese, you just add 人 after the name of the country. For example, American is 美国人. Japanese is 日本人. Please pay attention to 是. Chinese verbs do not have inflections. That is, the form of the verb is the same, no matter what the subject is. For example, in the sentences, 我是中国人，你是美国人，他是意大利人。The verb is always 是 never changes. Read after me, please. 我是中国人，你是美国人，他是意大利人。Again, 我是中国人，你是美国人，他是意大利人。Let's watch a video now. Listen to Xu Dong and Kai Li carefully. Tell me where they are from.
你好，
你好，
你是哪国人？
我是中国人，你是哪国人？
我是美国人。他是哪国人？
他也是中国人。
An exercise for you. Match the people in the video with their nationalities. Okay, 旭东是哪国人？中国人。凯莉是美国人。And the girl with the book 也是中国人。Are you correct? The last dialogue in the video is the question. 他是哪国人？ And the answer. 他也是中国人。他 means she. 也 means also. The question is, where is she from? And Xu Dong said, she is also Chinese. Different from English, 也 is placed before a verb. You can't put it after verb or at the end of a sentence. Moreover, if you say me too, you can't say 我也 but 我也是. Read with me again. 你是哪国人？我是中国人。你是哪国人？我是美国人。他是哪国人？他也是中国人。Okay, that's all for today. Don't forget your quiz for the lesson. 谢谢，再见。